Talking about the completing the square method, we have two examples here. 5x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. The second one is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. For the solution, we choose the first question. 5x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. You divide through by the coefficient of x squared. You have x squared minus 7x equals minus 2 over 5. Now you need to compute half square the coefficient of x, which gives minus 7 over 10 squared. It is advisable not to open the bracket. Now add this to both sides. Add to both sides half square the coefficient of x. So we have x squared minus 7 over 5x plus bracket minus 7 over 10 squared equals minus 2 over 5 plus minus 7 over 10 squared. At this point, you need to factorize this. And the best way to factorize this is to open a bracket. Pick a variable, x. Everything you have inside this bracket, take it in. Close the bracket, squared. If you open this bracket, you get this. If you open this bracket, you get this. That's the logic. This is equal to minus 2 over 5. That's the technique required. This is 49. At this point, you cannot open the bracket. X minus 7 over 10 squared equals, the LCM is 100. 5 in 100, that's 20. Times 2 minus 40 plus 49. X minus 7 over 10 squared equals 9 minus 100. So at this point, you take the square root of both sides. Take square root of both sides. So you're going to have square root x minus 7 over 10 squared equals plus or minus square root 9 over 100. This cancels this. We have x minus 7 over 10 equals plus or minus 3 over 10. So you collect this, you collect the like terms. This implies x equals plus or minus 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10. When you do this very well, you have 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10, or minus 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10. So your final answer will be 1 or 4 over 10. That's 7 minus 3, 4 over 10. So this is your final answer, which is expected to be the same answer when you use the factorization method. Thanks for listening.